Haircuts are getting better. Hashtag lockdown skills. What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to the workshop. Now this is workshop vlog number 8, I do believe, and basically these vlogs are just my opportunity to reach out, talk to you guys, ask you how you're all doing, see how you're all getting through the lockdown. Hopefully everybody's life is starting to improve slightly now. Lockdowns are starting to be lifted. The weather here in Ireland is absolutely glorious, so I can't complain too much. It is about 30 degrees inside this workshop now, so it's really hot. That's about 90 degrees Fahrenheit. It's about 27 degrees outside, so just under 90 out in the sunshine there, and I have been enjoying hanging out on my decking with my family the last few days, so I haven't done a whole lot in the workshop, but when the weather is so nice, it's nice just to hang out for a bit. So how's everybody doing? How's everybody getting on? What are you working on? What projects are you doing? How's life going in general? How are you getting through the lockdown? I hope everybody's doing well. And yeah, like I say, this is just an opportunity for me to shoot the breeze with you guys and see how everybody's doing and give you some updates on the workshop. So it is Monday the 1st of June, and I cannot believe it is June already. This year is just flying by. Given everything that's going on, it is still flying by. It's a bank holiday here. It's bank holiday Monday here in Ireland. Not that matters, I suppose, because it's 10 weeks of the lockdown and we've been doing nothing basically for the last 10 weeks. Well, work-wise in my day job as an electrician, I've had a few days here and there. A couple of days last week, I have a couple of days this week coming up as well. So things are starting to pick up slowly. Little jobs are starting to come along and we can start to move out and do more and more stuff. So hopefully over the next coming weeks, things will open up even more. There's no community transmission at the minute in Ireland, which is fantastic. I think everything is within existing clusters, and we think we're down to like 66 cases new yesterday, which is fantastic. So everybody's done a great job. Everybody who stayed in, fair play to everybody, and to our frontline services who've done an amazing job on this. You guys deserve a pat on the back, and yeah, really deserve to be looked after because it's been fantastic what you've done. So fair play to everybody. So that's a little bit of good news. Things are starting to open back up again. Hopefully we can get business going again. Hopefully we can start getting money back in, and I can start making some more videos and getting some more materials in this shop, because without materials I can't make content. So yeah, that's where we're at the minute. I suppose the sunshine is one good thing to be positive about, and like I say, it isn't 30 degrees inside in the shop today, so that's an exceptional temperature for Ireland. So I've been enjoying that with my family out on my deck. So that was one project I done this week. I stripped the deck and oiled it, so it's looking good out there now. Also the picnic table I've built a picnic table and a bench. That video, I think I'll link that below. It's barbecue season again. If you guys want to build yourself a nice classic X-frame picnic table, I've mentioned this before, it's a nice simple build out of just 4x2s and 6x2s, pressure treated timber, and you'll have it together in a couple of hours and you have yourself a nice big picnic style table, X-frame one, that'll cost you a fraction of what you'd buy it for in the shop. It'll be twice as big and twice as strong and a fraction of the price. So check that out. I'll link that below if you're interested in that one. So in the workshop then, or the channel in general, I've had a number of companies now reach out to me, so there's a few that I have to get back to, but Riser Ireland, they sent me on a whole bunch of screws, a nice mug, different type of bits. I had no idea that Riser did so many different products, so they sent me on their catalogue as well. So anything to do with drilling, cutting or screwing, whether it's wood and metal or timber, these guys have got you covered. I only thought they did screws, but they do way much more. So I'm going to test out their bits, put them to the test and see if they're any good. I love their screw products. So they just saw that I mentioned in the building of this miter saw table or station that I use Riser screws the whole time, and they saw that video and they sent me out a pack of stuff. So thanks very much to Riser Ireland. Again, I'm not sponsored, it's not affiliated to, it's just a nice gesture. They sent me out this stuff as a way of thanking me for giving them guys a shout out, which is nice. So definitely check out Riser screws, guys. If you're in the market for screws, these things are fantastic, especially the cutter stuff. They're a coated screw with a lubricated screw, and they just fly into timber and they don't split it. There's no need to pre-drill. I've said all this in my videos before, but yeah, what a great company. And they also sent me out some stickers, so I have to get a sticker wall started. So I'm going to start a sticker wall in the shop, and I have I've just recently put in an order for some die cut stickers, a couple of hundred of them, so I want to be able to send them out to you guys. So when I get that all up and running, I'll get involved in a sticker swap. So if you guys have any stickers you want to send to me, I'll get stickers out to you guys, and you can start your sticker walls. I'll stick your stickers up on my sticker wall here in the shop, and you get to see them on YouTube. So yeah, I'll get all that sorted up. I need to get a PO box set up so that I can hand out address. My workshop is actually at my home address, so I don't want to be just throwing out my home address across the internet. So I get something set up so you can send stuff to me and I can send stuff to ye. So yeah, stickers are on the way. We'll start our sticker walls and yeah, we'll pick a place in the shop and let's get that done. So another thing to talk about is Instagram. I have an Instagram account. I will link that below. If you're on there, make sure, go on, give me a follow. I'm seeing all your pictures. A lot of you guys around the world now are starting to build this cam-lock Moxon voice, which is absolutely fantastic. So you're able to share that with me on Instagram and I can see you guys doing it. A couple of you guys have built this clamp rack as well, which is absolutely fantastic. A few of you guys have built the puzzle box that I built. He sent me on pictures of that, so that is amazing. It is it's a great buzz to see you guys build these things and that you're really getting something out of the channel as well. And then you can share all the pictures with me on Instagram as well, so fantastic. So if you're on Instagram, just link will be in the description below. Click on it, hit me a follow there, and you can send me a message, you can send me your pictures, or you can mention me there, and then I can see all your projects, which is cool because I really want to see what you guys are doing in your workshops, and if you're building anything that I'm building here and you're getting real value out of it, it's great to see. So I've seen 5 or 6 of these Moxon voices now, all different, built from all different materials from all around the world, so that's just a great buzz to see. Some of you have built the clamp rack, like I say, and some of you have built some of these boxes that I've built as well, so that's fantastic. Keep sending me the pictures, and again, if you're on Instagram, check the link below, jump on there, hit me a follow, and then I can see what you guys are doing as well, and I can share stuff with you that way. So there you go, Instagram. If you're on there, get on there. So another recent video that has proved very popular is the Snickers Workwear one. You guys seem really interested in that and it's got a heap of views, far more than my last couple of projects. So yeah, a lot of people interested in the pants, and a bunch of you guys in America have ordered yourself some Snickers Workwear from some of the European distributors, I think. I think there's a place in Canada as well. One of you guys mentioned in the comments. So for my American followers, if you Google Snickers in the US, there's a definite distributor in Canada, I know that much. So they'll be able to ship down to the United States from Canada, no problem. I think they do all over North America. So yeah, if you're looking for them, there's a place there, I believe. So yeah, let me know how you get on. Let me know. I'm interested to see what your take is on the Snickers Workwear. Again, I'm not sponsored or affiliated or paid by anybody. Just I really recommend them. And yeah, you guys seem to be interested in them. So I did a video on it. A few of you guys in America now have ordered yourself some Snickers Workwear. So let me know when you get it, what you think of it. Again, you can share that stuff with me on Instagram when you receive your workwear. So yeah, that's the last video, Snickers Workwear. Now, if any of you guys ever want to support the channel, I have a full range of merchandise on my Teespring store. Again, that will be linked below. You can grab yourself t-shirts, mugs, all that kind of stuff. It helps me a lot. I get a few quid from every sale. And I also have an Amazon affiliate link. If you're ever wondering about what tools I'm using in the workshop and you want to just see them, I have a full store on Amazon where I try to fill it with everything that I actually use in the shop. So all the Snickers Workwear that I wear is in the store. Most of my Veritas tools, most of my hand tools, most of my woodworking tools, most of the power tools that I actually use are all there in the store. So you can actually go to that store and check it all out. And if you're going onto Amazon to buy something and you use any of those links to get to Amazon, I get a few pounds from the sale no matter what it is you buy, and it doesn't cost you anything extra. That's a little way you can support the channel. If you're going to order something from Amazon, if you use one of my links to get to Amazon, I get a couple of pence from the sale, and it doesn't cost you anything extra, and it just throws a few pence my way, helps me get products and helps me get materials for the shop so I can make more content for you guys. So that's it. I have merchandise and there's Amazon links below. If you want to help out, go check them out. And like I say, there's never any obligation to do so. This content will always be free to everybody. So there you go. That's just how you can support the channel. So I have plenty of projects planned coming up. I want to get into the more of the hand tool woodworking. That's what I really seem to enjoy. When I come down to the workshop, I seem to feel happiest when I'm just using the hand tools. The machines are fantastic for getting timber prepared or getting stock prepared. It takes a whole lot of elbow grease out of it. So if you saw the last video that I made, which was preparing stock by hand, I'm really glad I'm not trying to make that video today because I would pass out in this workshop. It would be impossible. But it's a lot of elbow grease, a lot of hard work. So planer thicknesser as a machine is the right way to go, but when it comes to working with wood, using the hand tools is it's the most pleasure I get out of it, and it's the most enjoyment. It's nice, quiet, relaxing work, and it's not sawdust and chippings everywhere. So upcoming projects are going to be a lot of hand tool woodworking. I want to build some more boxes. I've just ordered a set of carving tools, so I want to get into some relief carving. So the next box I want to put some carving into it. So that's the plan. Hopefully that happens. So I'll see when the tools get here. I will do a video on them and I'll show you exactly what I got. And we will attempt maybe to carve a relief, nice flower pattern for our first little project. So you guys can follow me along as a beginner wood carver, and hopefully it might be something you guys will be interested in too, and we can progress together, as they say. So that's going to be coming up, and I'm looking forward to getting into some wood carving as something different. So behind the scenes then with the channel, I'm getting a lot of contact from different companies. I'm getting a lot of sponsorship offers. A lot of them are just phishing emails. So I'll give you a warning, if you start your YouTube channel or if you're in and around the same subscribers as I am, you'll probably notice the same thing. My inbox now is starting to fill up with people offering sponsorship, and it is dodgy as I would not click any of those links. Make sure it's a reputable company. They should have a header for their emails and a bottom for their emails. They should have their own websites. It should be all proper links, so just be careful of that. I'm getting bunches of them every day, people offering me sponsorship from apps, for security apps, for gaming apps, for everything, and they all don't seem to be legitimate. There's a couple of legitimate ones there, but they don't really fit with the channel, so I don't want to just do sponsorships and just tell you guys about products that you'd have no interest in. You're watching this, I believe, for the woodworking, the electrical stuff, the tool reviews, and just general workshop stuff. So if I can get any companies on board that are into the tools and stuff, I'd be happy then to share that information with you or bring them on board. But when it comes to all the apps and stuff, not really. I don't think it's going to fit for you guys. It's not going to be good information for you guys, so I'll stay away from that. Now, I have had a couple of other companies contact me. I must get back to them. I'm trying to get onto a couple of hardwood suppliers in Ireland, because a bunch of you guys in Ireland have asked me where do I get my hardwood from. So I want to get you guys some information, some place that I can send you to get your hardwood, especially if you're getting into woodworking, and if you don't already work in a trade. It can be kind of intimidating to walk into some of these lumber yards or some of these builders providers when you're not really sure what you want. Like I say, I'm 20 years working as an electrician, so I'm in and out of builders providers for the last 20 years. I've no problem walking onto a yard and just telling people what I want and interacting with people. I'm well used to it. But for someone doing it for their first time, it'd be nice if I could send you somewhere where I knew somebody, or someone could take care of you guys here in Ireland, and or could find places around the country that are local to you and give you that advice. That would be great, because it can be a little bit intimidating, I'd say, when you're starting out and maybe you don't work in the trades and you're trying to walk onto these yards and buy some timber, and maybe you only want one board. But believe me, guys, most of these places I go, they're absolute gentlemen to deal with. They have no problem spending any time with you. You can pick out your boards, you can work away there, go through the stockpile, whatever you want. And there's a few places I work with, so when I get some more information on that, I'll definitely give you a heads up. And yeah, that's it. That's kind of behind the scenes what's happening at the minute. The channel is really growing now, so people are starting to take notice, and I'm starting to get contacts. Some of them are bogus, some of them don't really fit the channel, and hopefully one or two might prove to be valuable to you guys. So that's the plan. So yeah, that's kind of where it is behind the scenes at the minute. Right, I think we'll wrap it up there. I'm starting to bake, and I'm sweating just standing here making this video. The temperature has definitely gone up a couple of degrees since I started making it, and it's now oven temperatures inside in here. So I'll get out of here. So that's it, guys. That's where I'm at the minute. Just wanted to do a quick vlog again, just to touch base with you guys, see how you're all doing. Hopefully you're getting through the lockdown all right. Hopefully you're all in a good mental space. Hopefully your woodworking is coming along, and hopefully you're enjoying the content as well. So I have stickers on the way. As soon as I get them, I'll show you, and hopefully I can get them out to you guys, and we can do sticker swaps all over the world, and I can start my sticker wall and start getting your stickers up on this wall as well, and you can have my stickers up on your wall. So that'll be coming up. I'll set up a PO box so you guys can send your stickers to that address. As soon as I have that done, I'll let you know, and as soon as the stickers here, like I say, I'll give you a look at them too. They're nice die cut ones, so we'll see. They'll be here maybe the end of this week, maybe next week. We'll see how that goes. The wood carving tools are on the way, so when I get them, I'll show you as well, and we'll start into a bit of wood carving here on the channel. I'm really looking forward to that. It'll be a new skill to acquire. So anything else? I think that's it for now, guys. So look after yourselves, take care during this lockdown. I hope you're all doing well. Mind the mental health, and enjoy your woodworking, and that's it. I'm going to go back out there now and jump in the kiddies paddling pool because it's sweating, and yeah, bit of fun with the family. I'll see you later, guys.